Hi everyone, this is Susan and I wanted to show you my latest work, which I've actually been working on for probably 2 years. Anyways, do you have that painting laying around that you started and you haven't finished? Yeah, me. Here's another one. Started, not finished. So I was in my gallery yesterday and I have been looking at her for almost 2 years. I had drawn the drawing and I had painted a ground background, which was this color here. I did it the same color. I guess it's a burnt umber, can't remember. So long ago. So I decided I was going to start. And so this is as far as I got yesterday. So I'm going to take it further today and we will see where it leads us because I made her up. She's not from a photograph. She's just out of my head. And I can see I've got to clean up the face. It's a little uneven right now. And I'm going to put maybe flowers. I'm not too sure yet. So it's a work in progress. So join me on this journey. I challenge you to do the same. Have you got that painting you keep looking at going, I need to finish that? Let's do it together. Get on it. Go find it right now. Let's get rocking. I would say the size of it is probably 1/4 inch. Trying to get those eyes. I had a really difficult time with the eyes on this one for some reason. It was just an ongoing battle. They went from pale green to turquoise blue, and then a blend of both. It was crazy. So on this video, you'll see part 1 and 2, which was yesterday and today's, but she's still not completed. So that'll be the next video. But I'm just going to get this up first. So I'd appreciate some feedback. And if you like what you're seeing and want to see more, please subscribe and leave me a comment if you'd like to see more of my faces. So I decided to put this huge flower here. I have been watching a lot of AI videos where they have all these surreal things going on. I think it kind of inspired me to do that goofy poppy on the left-hand side. And as you can see, I'm a human, and it's a human that's painting this. I had to say that because I think it's so funny. We have a new thing on art storefronts that says, made by a human. This AI thing is just getting too insane. There's so many videos now where they show a hand and a brush, and if you look really carefully, it's crazy because it's AI. It's AI painting. And I am blown away by thousands, hundreds of thousands of likes that these videos get, and they're not real, guys. This is the real deal. And I have the backache to prove it. I was standing on my feet today for 3 hours solid in my garage studio. And by the time I finished, I had to come in and put ice packs on my back. Well, it looks like she's coming together. I've had a thing for blue hair lately. And of course, if you've seen my other video that I did, my orphan Annie, and I think I put her out last August or September. Anyways, she kind of went viral, and I did the blue hair on her. I love doing blue hair. It's fun. Yeah, I don't go for realism. I like fun, interesting faces. And right now I'm working on a course that will be available to purchase. And it's going to be probably about five hours from drawing to painting, and the painting will be using watercolor and mixed media. And I'll take you all the way from learning how to use your pencil, how to draw the face, and it will be a little bit more realistic than my fun girls. And hopefully I'll get that up for sale in the next week or two. Fingers crossed. So stay tuned. So here I'm just kind of filling in the poppy buds, or poppy pods, should I say. I have a bunch of these that I found in somebody's greenhouse. I just love them. The shapes are so fun. Now it gets to a point when you're doing one of these paintings where you just start, it's the fine tuning that really makes it at the end. We're not there yet. We're still at the messy stage. But when you get to the fine tuning stage, it all comes together, and it's really quite wonderful. I'm doing small strokes of paint. I think she's kind of looking cool. Let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. And stay tuned for the next part 3. Have a great day, and go and finish a painting.